Are food allergies affecting your life?
Do you suffer from a food allergy, or do you have a child that suffers from food allergies? Well, if you're like me, I have a child who suffers from a variety of different food allergies, and it can be a real struggle and a real big stress on our life when we try to venture outside of our home to get a meal. Whether you're going to a restaurant or you're going to a school party, it's really hard to feel confident and ensure that what you're about to consume or what your child is about to consume doesn't have any of the allergens that you're so desperately trying to avoid. Now, there are these really cool allergy detection sensors that are available.
Consider it to be like your own personal food allergy bodyguard.
They're small and portable, so you can put them in your own purse or carry them in a pocket, and they allow you to test the food you're about to consume so that you feel more confident and not stressed out about what you're about to eat, to ensure that what you are about to consume doesn't have the food allergen that you are so desperately trying to avoid.
Nima has developed two sensors. One is for detecting gluten, which is made for those who are gluten intolerant or for those who are extremely health conscious and want to eliminate gluten from your diet altogether. The other Nima sensor is used to detect peanuts in your food. These slick little devices can be put into your pocket or purse and offers you a quick way to test your food for any traces of gluten or peanut. Let's say you want to check for traces of gluten in your food. You would put a little bit of the food you are about to consume into a disposable test capsule. Insert this into the sensor and then push start. A sample of your dish is mixed with some chemicals, and in 2 to 3 minutes, voila! Nima will reveal if your food contains gluten by displaying a smiley face or not with a frown. You can then take it a step further and add your results to the Nima community-tested restaurants and packaged foods via the app. Next up is the Allergy Amulet, another rapid, portable allergen and ingredient detection device. This device is not yet available, but the company plans to launch pre-sales in the fall of 2018. What sets this device apart from the Nima sensor is that it tries to marry function with fashion, and the company intends to offer tests for the top 8 most common food allergens over time. So as your personal healthy matchmaker, I hope that you found the information in this video to be useful. I'm always searching for new technologies, products, services that you could use to live your best life.
If you liked what you saw in today's video, then be sure to join the Match Health community today. Don't miss out.